Hi, I'm Melissa Vanderbilt Bester with Discovery Commons South Biscayne, located in beautiful Northport, Florida. We are an assisted living and memory care community, and one thing that makes our community unique is the fact that we hold the highest license you can hold in assisted living. We hold the Extended Congregate Care license. I would have to say one of the things that make us unique is the fact of the longevity of our staff. We were built and opened in the end of 2015, and a lot of our staff have been with us 2, 3, 4 years or more. One of the things that really sets us apart is the type of licensure that we hold. We hold the Extended Congregate Care license, which is the highest license you can hold in an assisted living community.